morning. We are at HIMTEX show at Hyderabad. I will travel across the India, and then first time I meet Singh family in Punjab, Ludhiana, and I invite them to show our hop check machine because they are in requirement of such a machines. And then surprisingly, I walked through the show and then I found their booth and I met these two gentlemen and found that okay, they have really a wonderful product, because first time when I met, I really not visited their factory. They visit us in Orlikon Balders, and then I really didn't get opportunity to see their factory. But when I see their booth and when I saw their products, so they have really a wonderful product. Like you see that these products you hardly see in exhibitions, because these products are really not available in different shows. So this is something quite interesting. Then you can see the another product which is here. This is also quite interesting products, and they have a thread rolling concept, so thread rolling machines they make. So this is really a innovative companies in a second generation. I would say now it's running to the third generation like our company, because our company is also now in a third generation. And then basically their main agenda is to make a special purpose application, special purpose tools according to the customer requirement, as well as they make many SS tab and the different material tabs for a customer requirement. So today we have Keval Singh ji and Gurdeep ji with us. So Gurdeep ji, आपका कंपनी जैसे बोलोगे आपके ग्रैंडफादर ने चालू किया था.
We are Ludhiana based company. We are running this company since 1978. We are into manufacturing of cutting tools, threading tools, various kind of automotive fasteners, scaffoldings, threading machines and threading die heads.
What inspired you to join your grandfather business?
Most of the inspiration is my dad. He really motivates me to join my business. We have very good name in this line. So this really inspired me to join my business.
And what is your vision or your father's vision about your company for the future?
We are planning to take this business into a next level company. We are now into manufacturing of cutting tools made up of high speed tools. We will take our business into carbide toolings, moreover CNC tooling, VMC toolings.
We would like to congratulate you for participation in this show and then trying to explore your business at India level, and then in future maybe you are probably planning to explore in a global level. So we wish you a very good success with your participation as well as with your future plannings.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.